The next part is a kind of theoretical part. So for that, if you have pen and paper with you, simply take it and we have to write down something about innovation that we already knew about the innovation, but we have to write down because human beings are visually inclined species. So we learn, we grasp more through visual perspective. So we have to write down about the innovation. So please take a pen and paper. First part, kind of Sankhya Yoga, the yoga of knowledge, the yoga of understanding. Then the Sadhana Yoga, or the yoga of practicing something in latter stage. First, understanding or knowledge, and next is action. When we understand something, then action becomes fruitful and more conscious. So first we have to understand the fundamental about the innovation. So if you don't have pen and paper, simply open the laptop or notepad or any application just to type. Yes. So we have to write down very word. The first word is innovation in English. Yes. Simply write down. Keep your logical part little bit aside. Simply enter and participate into the activities. Participation is more important to experience something. Participate. Write down the first word innovation. Yes. Write down the first word innovation. Next part, write down the meaning of innovation in your own mother tongue. What you think innovation is in your own mother tongue, or simply write down in any Indian language or in Sanskrit language, that is Avishkar. Yes. First innovation, then second Avishkar in Sanskrit. Next one, there is no particular definition for innovation. It changes according to the field, but you can create your own according to your own understanding. So next activity is write down the meaning or definition of innovation according to you. What do you think innovation is? Write down anything. It can be a phrase, it can be a sentence, it can be a one word. Write down about meaning or definition of innovation or Avishkar. It can be like innovation is an art and science of taking information from the quantum field. Yes, a kind of different definition, but we can understand these two. It is a process of, or it is an art and science of downloading the information from quantum field and channelizing it into the or a certain frequency, into the certain frequency. Yes, downloading the information from the quantum field. You can refer this word quantum field like in after completion of this session, or you can search in the Google or Google Scholar about the quantum field. Yes. So innovation is an art and science of downloading the information from the quantum field and channelizing it into a certain frequency. Yes, it can be like that. Or you can create your own definition of innovation. In simple manner, innovation is simply the way of life. You can write down like that. It is simply a way of life. Because when we lead innovation in our life leads itself towards hope and purpose. So hope and purpose into our life leads us towards health, harmony, happiness, and moreover towards longevity. Yes. So innovation is a kind of ikigai according to Japanese term. Innovation is a kind of ikigai. So it is like an advanced version of ikigai. Innovation gives us hope and purpose. So hope and purpose leads us towards more health, happiness, and more longevity. So the definition of innovation. Next part, do you think that innovation is important for you? An honest question to yourself. Just simply ask an honest question to yourself. Is innovation necessary for me? If you think that innovation is useful for my life, then you can simply write down, yes, innovation is important for my life, like this. Because we are conveying the message to our subconscious mind. Innovation is important for my life. And last one, again write down the same word innovation. Last part, write down the same word innovation. We have to think seriously about the innovation. Yes. We don't know the fruits, negative or positive impacts of innovation, but in the first perspective we have to understand it very seriously. Innovation. If we are doing any activity, there are only two ways: either do it with a complete mind or simply skip it. If we are here to perform something, then we have to lead our mind 100% towards the innovation. Yes. The last word we have written on the paper, innovation. Now simply be with this very thought of innovation. Leave the pen and paper, sit comfortably on the chair or over the mat, spinal cord straight. In your subconscious mind, there is only one thought, that is innovation, that is avishkar. Yes. Simply be with this particular thought, innovation, avishkar. Keep your logical part a little bit aside. Focus over the innovation term. Now simply, while uttering or thinking about the innovation, simply close your eyes with leading your focus towards the very word, towards the very thought, towards the very process of innovation. Sit silently, focus over innovation. Now, while closing the eyes, focus over innovation and start deep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Back of your mind, we must have to focus over innovation. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Be with this particular thought of innovation. Be with this particular thought of innovation. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. While closing the eyes, keeping our logical part a little bit aside and leading our focus towards the very process, towards the very word of innovation, avishkar. Now breathe normally, focus over the very term, innovation. Try to focus. A gentle, genuine and humble try is very important. Try to focus over the very term, innovation. Breathe normally. Now while closing the eyes and at the back of the mind, focusing over innovation, while breathing normally, simply rub your hands, create some energy while rubbing your palms on each other. Place your hands over your eyes while thinking about the innovation, and in between your palms, slowly and gradually open your eyes while taking away your hands down. Relax. Only process of innovation. We don't know much about innovation, but we know something, that innovation is good for our life. If innovation leads us towards more hope for the life, towards more purposeful life, then innovation is good for us. Be with the very thought of innovation.